Good evening, friends. My name is Vijay Sarvade, and today's video topic is string buffer and string builder. Java string buffer class is used to create mutable, modifiable strings objects. The string buffer class in Java is the same as the string class, except it is mutable. That is, it can be changed. Let's see the important constructor of string buffer class. String buffer, it creates an empty string buffer with the initial capacity of 16. String buffer with single string parameter, it creates a string buffer with the specified string. String buffer with parameter int capacity, it creates empty string buffer with the specified capacity as length. Let's see the some important methods of string buffer string buffer class. Uh, Public synchronized string buffer. Append string with string s. It is used to append the specified string. With this string, the append method is overloaded like append char, append boolean, and append float, etc. Public synchronized string buffer. Insert int offset and string s. It is used to specify string with this string at the specified position. Insert method is overloaded like insert with parameter int and char, insert with parameter int and boolean, etc. Public synchronized string buffer. Replace with parameter int start index, int end index, and string. It is used to replace the string from specified start index and end index. Public synchronized string buffer. Delete with parameter int start index and int end index. It used to delete the string from specified start index and end index. Reverse. Reverse method is used to reverse the string capacity. The capacity string is used to return the capacity, return the current capacity. The next is length. It is used to return the length of the string, that is total number of characters. So this is all about the string buffer and string bundle. Thank you.